Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Namaste India. In this video, we will learn about the role center pages in Business Central. We will see how a system works, how the user interface is designed by Microsoft, and how we can make changes in that. Let's get started. I have logged into my sandbox environment. So when I log in into a sandbox environment, it says in headlines, "Good evening, mode administrator," or if it's morning it will say good morning mode administrator. I want to give it a local flavor, and in I want to change it to Namaste India, have a great day, or आपका दिन शुभ हो, as we call it in Hindi. And the second change which I want to do over here is there are certain menus like actions, customers, vendor, items, bank accounts, and chart accounts. Now here I want to add one more. So we can say that we want to change the user interface which is designed by role centers in Business Central. So when I'm logged into Business Central, if I want to see what page it is or what is this object, so what I can do is I can do a if I want to go from without using shortcut, inspect pages and data, or there is a shortcut for it, control alt F1. I repeat, it is control alt F1. Control alt F1. So this opens page inspection and it tells me that this is business manager role center page 9022. I'm making a note of this, page 9022. So let's go into VS Code and see the design of page 9022. I'm into VS Code. This is my AL packages. AL packages folder where symbols are downloaded, and in base application I can go to pages. I can apply a filter on 9022. So business manager role center. One more thing which is worth mentioning here is in settings we can go to my settings. So a role, business manager role I'm using, and I'm into company Kronos USA. These pages or roles can be changed. Right now I'm using business manager. So base product has other role centers also: manufacturing manager, sales order processor, project manager, and others. So right now I'm not changing it. I just wanted to let you know that there are different roles defined into it. So back to VS Code. So this is page 9022, business manager role center. Here there are different parts. First part is headline RC business manager, and this headline RC business manager is responsible for what we see in the headlines here. Headline details. So headline RC business manager. This is another page. If you go to definition, page 1440, headline RC manager. So there are control 1 and control 2. So we will do a page extension on this page 1440, headline RC business manager. Let's start it. new file. I'll call it Namaste India page extension .al. Control Z. The name is not valid. So let me create it again. Why is it coming there? So, page extension. Which page we want to extend? This is, and then we can finish it. So if we do it using a wizard, it doesn't give much information. I prefer doing page extension using snippets. So I'm deleting that, and t page ext. Okay, so 50,103 headline extension, and this will extend my page, this page layout. So it gives layout, actions, and variables. We are not going to add any actions as such. We will add the fields here. T page field. Okay, so we will declare a variable of type text, custom greeting text, and we will use trigger on open page. And here we will define what is my integer begin and end. Let's say I want to display this, which means, like, you can say greetings, good morning, good evening, whatever, and have a great day. Let me give it the name my greeting. We can delete actions for now. This is not required. Begin and end is enough. Okay, because there is space, so I need to have it in double quotes. Okay, what has happened is before starting this demo, I created a page extension for this one. Which one is it? Okay, this is the one which I created earlier before starting this demo. So let me comment it out. And I want to add this before. Add before. So control 1 I'm selecting. Okay, let's publish and see. Page extension with 50103 is already exist. Let me change it to 50105. Control F5. Now it is publishing. A new session is opened. Here it shows success. The package has been published. So we see Namaste India, आपका दिन शुभ हो. Have a great day. Now let's have a look at the how the base page was designed. I want to go to this page, go to definition. There are group 1, group 2, and in group 2 it has defined drill down also. Okay, editable false, drill down true. So let's use these properties. Drill down true, editable false. And in hyperlink, what I want to do is I want to give hyperlink of my LinkedIn page or any page for that matter. And this has to be quoted in single quote. I'm going to publish it again. It is published successfully. A new window is opened. I can close the previous ones. So now there is hyperlink also. If I click on this text, then it is opening my LinkedIn profile. So that was part one, changing the greeting, giving it a local flavor. And the second part which I want to do is, I wanted to do, although not explained, I'll just explain that. See, basically, when this extension was published, before that, this finance report was not there. I'll show you that if I go to extension management and uninstall and unpublish this app, which is here. So if I uninstall and unpublish this, so the impact of this will not be there. We will be back to our standard product. So now that app is removed, that extension is removed, and so chart of accounts is there. There is no more. And just to explain further on the role center page, I mentioned earlier that this is role center page 9022. Now I want to do modifications on this page, role center page 9022, and want to add one more action over here. I'll call it finance reports, and let's see how that goes. So for that, we will require a new page extension which will extend my role center 9022. Okay. So what I, in the interest of time, what I've done is I've created a page extension 5010 through, which is extending business manager role center 9022, that role center. I'll go to this one, 9022 role center. And uh, how these are currently added in the system. For example, here it is chart of counts, and I want to study, I want to know how it is added there. What what is there in the design for this? So I'm going to page 9022 business manager role center and search for chart of accounts. And there we see it is a action, bank accounts, chart of accounts, and then bank accounts, items, vendors, customers. All these are actions listed over here. So I'll have to add one action, okay, and which should be after chart of accounts. So what I've done is layout. There's nothing in layout. Actions, yeah, I have added add after chart of counts. After chart of count, I'm adding one more action, and I'm calling it finance reports. Caption is also finance report. Application area, basic suite. All these properties I can take from the existing one. Now here it is run object page chart of counts, whereas in case my requirement is that a report should be run from here. So I have defined run object report and report name, and then tooltip. So that's all for this one. Now if I go ahead and publish this app, we will see that a finance report is added after chart of count. So we saw that how to change the greetings, and for that what we did is we have extended headline RC business manager page using page extension. I'm publishing it now, and in the meantime let's have the look at the presentation also. So it is published success and opened a new window of business central environment. So if I click here, I'll see my greeting Namaste India. If I click here, it'll there is a hyperlink and it is opening my LinkedIn profile, and here we see finance reports. Finance report. If I click on this, balance sheet report is run. So that's what we covered. We covered mainly on role center and changing the greetings. Back to presentation. So learning with fun. So I thought of, instead of having serious discussion, let's have some sort of fun, giving it local flavor. And in the screenshot here, I'm trying to say that page type, various page types. There are 13 page types: card, list, role center, card part, list part, document, worksheet, list plus, confirmation dialog, navigation page, standard dialog, API, and headline part. And this video was focused on role center. Control center page, changing greetings on role center page, control alt F1 that we mentioned. So we changed the way business center greets us and learned about role center page. So that's all for this video now. I hope you enjoyed this. In case you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks, stay tuned, and we'll be back with a new video. Thank you.